Hey folks, Bob here. Now what I'm going to talk about today, you veteran mechanics and seasoned mechanics, professional mechanics, you already know about this. Probably have something better than this. But for us mere hobbyists out here and weekend warriors, a lot of you guys mess around with race cars, maybe got a little street strip car you play with or something, and you may work at the bank Monday through Friday or something like that, or have an office job, so you don't know a lot of stuff about this kind of thing, or some of you newer guys. Well, this is called an automotive stethoscope. It's just like what a doctor would use on you. And you put this up to your ears. And this long probe here, you can use it to touch around various parts of the engine. Just be careful, don't get around the fan blades and the fan belts. But it's very, very useful. If you got dual fans, you can see if one motor is making a lot more noise than the other. It's useful for valve train noises, flex plate noises, lots of things. And a lot of guys say, well, just use a wooden broom handle. Yes, that works. I've done that. This is better. It's more precise. You got two ear points as opposed to one. Plus older guys, I know us guys, we get old, we can't hear as good. We have selective hearing according to our women. But I like this. I have used this thing for over 30 years now. And it's really handy. You can touch the top of the valve cover. You can hear one rocker arm versus another in between the rocker arms. It just kind of gives you an idea if you've got a rocker issue, a valve train issue. Just about fell off the toolbox there. I don't have a lot of workspace in here. This is my little storage building I keep my drift car in. But anyway, just thought I'd let you in on that little secret. It's kind of neat. These things are real inexpensive. I'll look them up when I get home and I'm editing the video, but I think you can buy them at all major part stores, Advance, O'Reilly's, and CarQuest, and I'm sure you can get them online. But I don't think they cost much, $20–30 maybe, and they really, really are useful. They're also very fragile, so don't put it somewhere it won't get broken. And it takes up, as you can see, it takes up a fair amount of room. So, but it's flat. But pretty helpful tool, and I'm kind of glad I got this one. So folks, hit that thumbs up. We need all the algorithm help we can get. The videos lately have been getting a lot of help, a lot of likes, and that's really helping us. And we got stuff we're trying to sell for people, and that's helping the hobby move along, and helps me be able to afford to buy the gas to go out and do this. So thank you very much for all you viewers. The subscribership continues to grow, and we're closing in on, we just went over 4,000 subscribers. And really happy with all that, and appreciate all the cool comments too. All right, folks, Bob out.